These are the top 5 biggest and most dangerous snakes in the world, and the last one is absolutely terrifying. Comment which one is most spine-chilling, but first, you will have incredible luck if you like and subscribe to my channel until this video ends. Carpet Python. The carpet python is found in Australia and New Guinea. This snake is primarily nocturnal and catches its prey by ambushing them. Its pattern is very unique that looks like a carpet, which is why it's called the carpet python. This is a constrictor snake that kills its prey by wrapping around it. Cases of attacking humans are rare, but it can bite if irritated. Its size can reach up to 13 feet, and it's an expert at climbing trees. It kills its prey by suffocating them and then swallows them whole. These pythons have been known to invade homes and hunt pets like cats and small dogs. Green anaconda. The green anaconda lives in the rivers and swamps of South America and is the world's heaviest snake. Its weight can reach up to 250 kilograms. This is also a constrictor that eats large animals like deer, capybara, and sometimes even jaguars. It is very skilled in water and can kill its prey by drowning them underwater. There are some documented cases of attacks on humans, but it is generally shy. Its crushing force is so powerful that it can even break the bones of its prey. Female anacondas are significantly larger than males and can give birth to up to 40 live babies at once. Blotched diadem snake. The blotched diadem snake is found in Africa and is mildly venomous. Its venom is not fatal to humans, but the bite is painful and can cause swelling. This snake primarily eats lizards and small mammals. It has a defensive nature and hisses and strikes when feeling threatened. When cornered, it can flatten its body to appear larger and more intimidating to predators. Stokes sea snake.
He's just come straight at me again. Oh, how...
Stokes sea snake lives in Indo-Pacific waters and is highly venomous. Its venom is neurotoxic, which can cause paralysis. This snake is completely aquatic and lives at greater depths, so encounters with humans are rare. But if it bites, it can become a medical emergency because its venom is very potent. It has a paddle-shaped tail that helps it swim efficiently and can stay underwater for up to 2 hours. Reticulated python. The reticulated python is the world's longest snake, which can grow longer than 30 feet. Found in Southeast Asia, this python is a constrictor that crushes and eats large mammals. There are documented cases of fatal attacks on humans where it has swallowed people whole. Its pattern is reticulated, meaning net-like, which helps it in camouflage. It is an apex predator, and anything can be on its menu. This python can take several weeks to digest a large meal and doesn't need to eat again for months.